Hello guys, today we are seeing a 3 units cargo trailer has been packed together. This is a white color trailer. At the bottom is one trailer and can be hooked up to the prime mover. On the top we have one, two, another two on the top, but one of them is upside down so they can stack together. In the side beam we have this device to fasten it, to make sure it touching each other very well. We are not using only one, but using 1, 2, 3, 4 of them on each side. So totally it would be 8 of them. We use a bolt to fasten it. Once it arrives, you can remove it and remove this rubber. On the side we have the X-type rope fasteners everywhere to make sure it stuck together and don't moving. Here is the front gate, front wall or bulkhead, whatever you call it. We put it in the middle of the 2 units trailer and use the rope, the steel cable to fasten it. In the front we're using the lashing belt, the nylon lashing belt. In the rear we use more because there are 3 of them, so we use more of the nylon lash belt to fasten it, because those kind of trailer is different, is one batch, so we put the different things in each of those middle of the trailer. That's 3 units packing together. This one is the 2 units packing together. So we shall check with our client and to see what kind of a delivery plan they want to use. This in the front there are all 3 units together packing, and we use the jack like this to have enough space between the 2 units of the semi-trailer, and we put the tires. See, 1, 2, the tires, the spare tires, it's supposed to be here, but if we put it here, it would be easily stolen by some other others is not client. They probably in the terminal or somewhere, and our client won't get it. Okay, here is the spare tire carrier. This one we put it here because some of them we need to remove it and put it here. So we need to put it over there. Okay. To continue go to the front, we can see most of the packing is the same. Once the rope is touching the tire, we use those protections to protect the tire, and once it touches the side beam, we use these protections to protect the side beam. Here is the fixing device, and this is a fixing device on this side. Okay, I think that's enough for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy our video today, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.